What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Richard. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Richard Crypto. And today I'm gonna make a tutorial video on how to send over your NFT to another wallet via OpenSea. Okay, so first things first is you will need to create an account, right? So creating an account is very simple. You're gonna click create, or you could click right here where it says account, click profile, and all you will have to do is connect your wallet, right? So for this example, I'm going to use MetaMask, but there's also Coinbase wallet connect. And if you click down here more, you will see that it's Trust Wallet and mobile only. Okay, all right, so once you get to your wallet, this is what's going to look like, similar to this, right? So for this example, I'm going to donate one of my NFTs to the Vote Inu treasury. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Vote Inu profile, and for this example, please copy the exact address that you want to send your NFT to. So for example, if you want to send your NFT to your ledger, please copy the ledger that you want to send it to. That's your crypto wallet. Okay, so whichever wallet you want to send it to, this is the same exact process. Just copy that wallet address that you want to send it over to. Now click your NFT and click right here where it has this paper airplane and it says transfer. Okay, right here where it says address, I am going to paste the address, click transfer, and it's gonna come up for you to pay the transfer fee. And I'm gonna go ahead and click confirm. And just like that, guys, the transfer has started to the confirmed transaction. So there we go. I donated my Bad Baby Dino number 5988 to the Vote Inu treasury. Here we are, guys. We're on the Vote Inu treasury profile on OpenSea. So you go ahead and search by name. I'm gonna type in Bad Baby Dino. And there it is, guys. This is the NFT that I donated to the Vote Inu treasury. It is the same exact format for you to send over to your ledger or to any wallet of your preference. So in order for you to log out completely, you're going to click right here where you have your profile dot at. You can click log out, and you've successfully been logged out. So with all that being said, please give me a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.